Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back on another video. I'd like to thank LED Upgrades UK for sponsoring this video. So today we're in the A5 again. If you not checked out the last video where we did the intro to the video, intro to the car, go check it out. So yeah, thank you LED Upgrades again for sending these out to me. So this is a full interior kit with the license plate kit. So I'm guessing these ones are the license plate ones. I'm going to double check, otherwise we blow a fuse. If we blow a fuse, it's fine anyway. We got spare fuses, so I'll change it out and then pop one of these in instead. But I'm pretty sure it's these ones, so I guess we'll find out. But yeah, right now it's got the yellow license plate ones in. They're not the nicest, so these will be a big upgrade. So let's go check it out. I'll teach you how to install it, guys. All right, so what you really need is some way to open it. Alright mate, what are you doing on the mate? I mean the floor mate.
Just Audi mate. Audi.
Howdy.
Audi.
Do you want me to put one of them rings on your head?
No please mate.
Alright mate. Alright. You must go G.
You must Audi.
Alright. So okay, so these are the license plate lights. Would you like to do the keys, you know? Open it up, let's see the lights.
I don't think it works because it's the day.
Yeah, I'll have to turn the lights on, I think.
Yeah.
Go for it. Does it work? Nope. No?
No.
Alright, let me turn the lights on here. Wait a second.
No.
Eh? Still?
You need to put that shock here.
Really?
Yeah.
Go on, start on electric mode. Oh, bloody hell. Okay. This is not a good idea.
Still no.
I've not plugged it in, bro.
Okay.
That's why I know, you know? It's very difficult with one hand. Alright. Let's go for it. Now? Okay. Then a big
That
beat.
is so bad.
Oh yeah, they're well dim as well.
They're really dim. That is really bad.
Ugly and dim. What is that? What is that?
Disgusting.
Eek.
That's what it is. It's disgusting.
Eek. Even the license plate is running away from the lights.
It must go, G.
Must go. Alright guys, let's go ahead and open this. Let me turn this off for now, because beeping at us. He's very angry, you know. So I think you just pop this key, push it, pull the key out. There you go. Let me turn the lights off. Alright G, let's go. Let's go G. Oh, we should have got let's go G as well. Alright.
No, because let's go, G won't work.
Let's go G, let's go G, and then what?
75.
Yeah. 75?
Yeah, so you have to have a
57?
half. Let's LE
LETS.
TS.
TST.
So
75. So what's that? 15 plate.
Yeah, 15 plate. Oh.
Well, I guess we're buying a 15 plate car then. Alright, so first, we've got the LEDs ready. Keep these to the side for now while we take these out.
Flatted?
Yeah, in my coat somewhere.
We need to flatted.
Wait, does it come out?
No, not with this.
Have you tried?
Yeah.
This side looks a bit out. Try from that corner.
Because you have to pry it in there first. Do you remember?
No, the full thing comes out.
You know about?
Oh, is it from that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. Alright, let me go get my flathead. Okay, so we're gonna need a flathead. I'm gonna use some pry tools as well. Oh shit, this is the pants I'm gonna wear tonight. Keep it a bit clean. Push it in and then pop it. Pop it that way, yeah. And then I think you need to put the tool on the other side, yeah.
It's not working, bro.
Where's the tool? Where's the orange one? Yeah. Push down that side. Yeah, so pop down underneath on the left side. Yeah, do it at the same time. Yeah. Moving.
Yeah, but I feel like I'm gonna fucking break it off.
No,
Yeah,
don't.
That feels like it's gonna snap off, bro. Alright.
Let's try this side then. Yeah, just have to pop it down. Yeah, it's coming. Oh. No. That doesn't sound good, bro.
No.
Alright guys. Now push, yeah. No, you hold it on the side, push it out the other side.
So you hold
So
on
it comes
this
out,
side.
no, yeah, no, yeah. You need the left side to go. No, don't
This
do it
way?
from there. Right. So you need to pry it from this side, hold this side down, yeah? Do you get me?
No.
Right. Hold the camera. Alright. So you hold it here,
Yeah.
pull it out from this side. But how? Maybe yours is stuck. See,
Feels like
it's
it's
breaking. Your car's old. You try this one.
Oh yeah. Try that.
We don't mess with this one, yeah, but
No, not yet.
so hold it here. Try pry it from this side. Oh, it doesn't
It just looks like it's gonna snap out.
feel like I want to budge.
I know.
What the hell?
And you just did it by hand, casually.
Yeah, and the other guy did it by hand. You can't even do it bloody with tools or hand.
Alright guys, we're back after the short break.
Shut up and stupid.
Oh.
Yours might just be stuck in there. No?
Because I felt like it was budging when I did this.
Yeah. You want to push it opposite way. This way. What are you doing? Which way you
So push
yeah.
it this way,
Yeah.
but then I'm pushing it tab that way. Technically. Because if I push it this way,
Yeah.
it's prying it going this way. He said if the tab's here, you need to go opposite way.
Yeah.
So then, I do need to do it this way.
Opposite
this
way
way.
to the right. No, the screwdriver needs to go to the right.
Why?
Okay, try to do it. And then pull it down at the same place. Oh, your head. Bloody hell.
Where's the other one? Oh, the one that you've got in your hand.
I'll tell you what the hell. Oh, my legs are gone, bro. Where's that orange tool you stuff? Steal them. So if that's to the left, this one's to the right, innit?
Wait, this one's got a bit more. That one has a bit more leverage to something.
Yeah, so you pop in the thing in there. Come. No, you wanna push it in, pop it that way. Oh dear.
Oh. I saw it budge though. I did see it budge.
Push it in, guys. Budge it to the right. And it should pop down. Yeah, hold the camera. Let me go. If it breaks, innit?
Don't say that.
No, you don't need license plate lights anyway.
To make sure you don't scratch my license plate.
Are these even original? Because if they're Chinese, they might be a bit... Look, it wants to budge, look, can you see? Nah, bro, that does.
Oh guys, there's no point in us showing you this. We'll be back.
What?
No, I know where it goes. So this
Yeah.
fits in there. That
Yeah,
little
clips in
very
there.
yeah. And that is
Very
literally
hard.
just that's literally just to pry it
It's
up.
very hard plastic, that's what it is.
Okay, no.
That's why it's so hard.
shit.
So the way we got this one off is, we just had to force it a bit. So we had to use about 3 different screwdrivers.
So we use this.
So one we used to push up and pull this way, pop in it at the same time. And then another one we were prying it down with on this corner. And then we got the orange tool out as well to hold one of the other corners in place while we pulled everything out. And then it took a bit of brute force and it came out. Because it's a 2008 car. They've been sat there for quite a few years, haven't they? So that's why. So these are the LED, the normal ones. I mean, we're going to change it to LEDs. So
what about
these
what about
ones.
this? Can this only go in one way?
Yeah, it's got that tab in it. Can you see?
Yeah, that tab.
Yeah, it's only got that tab. Right. So let's go ahead and pop this in.
Let's have clean hands for this now.
Okay, we're taking the old bulb out first. Just manipulate a bit with the metal bar a little bit.
a lot of work just to take a bulb out, bro.
That's Audi for you, bro. There you go. Bulb is out of place now. Get the LED one. So with the LED, if you put it in one way and it doesn't work, what you can do is flip it around. So as it is now, if I put it in like that, if it's not working, all you do is twist it around, put it on this way instead. If it works, then it's working. If it doesn't work, then there's an issue, obviously. But yeah, that's how you test it. So we'll try this way first. So make sure the LED is facing downwards, up to the glass way, and then pop it in there. It's a good fit, yeah.
Not really, kind of moves about.
Yeah, we're gonna tighten it with the thingy.
Nothing.
You just squish the metal, yeah. Yeah, just push it in. No? I'll try this one. Let's see. Is it in there? What do you think? I'll try this one. Oh wait, before you put in, just push the metals in there.
Yeah, look. Because this one, I can have to press that in. It's a bit bigger.
Yeah.
This one's a bit
with
smaller.
metal you can manipulate it. So push the metal bits in, I think. No, before you put in.
Oh, before put it in.
Yeah, yeah. With the screwdriver if you want, just a tiny bit, or with your hand. Just a tiny bit, don't do too much. Yeah. A bit more in on that side. What do you think? It's a bit fiddly in it. Or does it need a big, smaller cup? Hmm.
You can literally practically just spin.
Okay, you want to try this one?
Pretty much. Have you got another one?
Yeah, 4 of them, quite a few.
Oh.
Try that one. Another same size. And got another 2 here as well. That spins as well, get another one out. Good thing we have loads. Oh,
Ooh,
that's better, innit? Yeah, yeah.
There you go. Still spins, but
Yeah. Might be tighten a bit more.
it's a little tighter.
Yeah. Do you want to try this one? They're roughly about the same size anyway, innit? All I'm thinking is we might just have to push in the metal quite a bit. Is that better? Ooh.
One thing is when I'm driving.
Yeah, you're gonna hit bumps and
yeah.
shit. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, okay. I'll try tightening the metal then. What do you think, G bro?
Yeah.
Let's tighten all the metals. Do quite a bit then on both sides. A decent amount. Try keep it straight. It doesn't really matter, does it? Oh wait, are you tightening it?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought you were doing the other way. Is it budging, yeah?
I think so.
I want to do a bit of surgery to make these lights fit, guys. Well, it's snuggly anyway.
Shall we try that?
I can do. Got it. Go for it, must go, Jay. Better. Oh, that clicked. Oh, that really clicked. You turning?
No, that's a lot better.
That's better. Alright.
Yeah, but it's a bit bent. Is it supposed to be like that?
That one is. We can try. We have spare anyway. Yeah, that one was bent. just to begin with. So I think that must have damaged in the post. So try that one. Oh yeah, that clicked in nice, but when you do it and it doesn't work, you have to twist it around.
Yeah.
Never mind. Push. Yeah. Yes, that's a good click. Yeah, that didn't budge much. That's perfect. Bro. Yeah. So if it doesn't fit, all you do is tighten it down quite a bit. Now we're gonna plug it in, see if it works. So yeah, I'm gonna need your key again, aren't I?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Do you wanna hold the camera then? And go try this one. Face recording now. Oh my leg. Where did you put the other ball? In your leg?
Yeah. See it's a little bent, but we saw a little something then. Yeah, son.
Right.
Yeah.
See? Oi, oi, oi. That's nice, guys. Look at the difference. Look at this dull shit, bullshit.
Let's see.
Now look how nice this one is, guys.
Old, new.
And I'll show you at night time as well, so stay tuned. We'll try record popping this one out, but first we need to put this one back in. Let me go turn off here. Or shall you go? While you put in.
You might as well just sit there.
Turn off? Okay. Go for it.
Put it back in.
Hopefully it goes back in. Should just push it in. Sit in place now. Don't know, bro. Here's Audi's one.
There you go.
Is it in?
Yeah. So I think, yeah, because that's where the guy did. He just went
Oh
like
yeah. So it should pop out easily, innit?
that. Yeah.
So you need to slide it that way when you push it in. Yeah. Oh, that's well easy.
And again, it's just coming out quite a bit.
Yeah. So, because ours was hard to get out, I'm gonna have to put it in hard. Something with this corner, innit?
Yeah.
So that's out. Yeah. Yeah. We're doing the pre-attack off thingy. Yeah. Minor. Well, I think you pushed out, but you know, you'll be alright. Yeah. So all you do to put it in, push it up, slide it to the left as much as you can. There you go. That's a nice tight fit now. Now this is gonna be another headache to take this side off. Why you just behind? Nah, bro, no chance. I'll do screwdrivers. I've got one here. There's a go. You might need 3 screwdrivers again, bro.
Yep.
Alright, good luck. So we're playing down with this one, innit? Yeah. Good luck. So our one's a bit hard to do because of headache. Ooh. Go on. Oh.
Oh, you get it where that screwdriver is?
Yeah.
Do you remember like you did last time?
There. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you pushing down and thinking at the same time on that one?
Yeah.
This one's a fucking headache. Yeah. Oh. Yep, that's out now, boy. It's a headache. Now you just need to pull it down. Yeah, so it's a weird click in place, isn't it? Like there's nothing there for you. Oh yeah, that's the WD-40, innit?
Yeah.
That's going straight through. Okay, so this is how you unclip this. You just push it in and pull it out. Yeah, push on the corners. Yeah. There you go. So yeah, there's no clips to hold in or nothing. Weird design, bro. Well, I wonder what that clicking noise is then. God knows.
That's on my WD-40 on the side. Cool.
Yeah, put quite a lot of WD-40 because we got stuck there. But yeah, make sure you don't do that yourself. We are trained professionals. I'm joking. Right, I'm gonna take this one out now. Screwdriver. Go for it, lad.
I might just do it with this instead.
Yeah, you could probably pop it out with that. Use the dent. Smaller than that. Oh, I'm gonna pop your face off or break. Came out quite easily. There you go, guys. That's how you do it. Should we give a wipe before we put it back in?
No.
We'll be alright.
Should be fine.
Me. It dries up anyway. What's up? Poop?
Yeah.
What is that? Doesn't go off the car, is it? It's a rock in it.
Oh.
What?
You know the...
Oh, the tape.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. You don't need that. Okay. On to our next bulb, lads. Let's go, G. Oh wait, that's a bit bent as well. Or do you want to try it different? Oh no. Should we tighten it in first?
I don't know if we need to.
Why? You just want tighter?
I think so.
Maybe. Yeah, just tighten it a decent amount. So the way you tighten it is you just pushing in both metal sides. Oh crap. That'll be alright. Don't worry, lads. These things are built to last. Where's all the white stuff?
Where?
There.
I don't know.
That must be fun. That's why it's probably hard to take off. Something's happened there. I don't know what it is. So yeah, we've had all the difficulties in the world, guys, taking these off. So if you guys can't take it off, then yeah, big trouble. Come on, lads. Come on, lads.
Okay, let's do that though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Got it? If it clicks in place, that's when we know it's tight, innit? Yeah. Oh. Did it come out?
That's because this one's fucked.
Did you get another one up? Oh, is that right?
Yeah, no, get another one out. This one's fucked.
Yeah, so we've only got one more left then, because these are all bent. So two of these are actual bent, so can't really use them. Hopefully this last one's not bent, because this is the last option. Otherwise we're gonna have one LED, one normal. Nope, that looks okay-ish. A little bent, but not too bad. Should be okay, hopefully. Oh no, we do have another two spare actually. It'll just mean the interior ones will be bad. Yeah, or tighter.
I mean, it works. It's not the snuggest.
To make it a bit tighter.
Yeah.
Might as well, because we're going to go long term for this, aren't we? Yeah, make it a bit tighter. So this is how we tighten it, just literally popped it out. Keep that safe. So we're just tightening the metal prongs now, pushing it inwards on both sides. As you know, metal is very maneuverable, so don't worry about it. Must go, G. Oh, it's a bit fiddly, innit? One click, both sides in. Yeah.
There you go. That's a lot.
That's very tight, yeah. Nice. Perfect. Is that the LED for here? Okay, now. Alright, guys. It's going back in here. Oh, my battery's dying.
Oh, let's make this good then. There you go.
Wait, we need to test it.
Oh, yeah. Set it front back in there.
Okay. Here you go, hold this. Oh, hand fucked.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So both are working now. So if it's not working, like I said, you just pop it out again, twist it around, push it back in. So now we're just going to put it on. Pop it up. Ah, my ass. So yeah, they're much brighter. We'll show you them at night. I've got a before and after shot on the old ones as well. So push it up and to the left here. As much as you can to the left, it tightens in place here. No, so we need to push it more. Right.
I think it's always going to be like that though. You can always just pry them down. I think the only thing is holding them in is that little tab.
Yeah, that little tab holds it in there.
It's pretty shit design, but does the job.
Design, yeah.
There you go, guys.
Doesn't wobble, yeah. So these are the new ones. Look how bright it is outside. If you're able to see it in the daytime, you you can imagine. Decent amount of brightness. So they're pretty decent them. Not bad are they, guys? So I'll show you what it looks like at night. And thank you again. Okay, so these are the old lights, yellow ones. Very disgusting. Disgust me. The plate at the moment, we got show plates on, so I can't show you the plate. So that's why. I can show you like that, but can you see it's a bit yellow? Not very nice. So yeah, put some LED ones in soon, and yeah, you can see how beautiful they are after that.
It hasn't been now.
Okay, one side's rotated inside, so we're going to need to squeeze it up again, make it tighter. But yeah, they're pretty bright. Oh, Scotch. Thank you again, LED Upgrades UK, for sponsoring this video and providing the lights. Check out the page on eBay. I've got a discount code for you guys in the description. I think it's MrWaheedulHaque, so hopefully if it's up you'll get 10% off on your order, so go check it out. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.